Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're walking through the steps it takes to send your guest a quote as a host, otherwise known as a host-initiated transaction. After signing in, hover over the Host tab at the top of the page and click on Fleet. Next, choose the RV your guest is interested in renting by clicking the eyeball icon to the left of the listing. On the right side of the next page, you will see the fields to be entered to send a quote. There's a few options at your disposal. You can send a quote to your guest, which will not block out your calendar for this rental until the inquiry is accepted, or you can send a book now, which immediately blocks your calendar dates and considers the quote pending payment when sent to the guest. Once that's decided, you select if the guest is doing a full rental or just the protection plan. For our purposes today, we are selecting protection plan only. Enter their first name, last name, email address, dates of their trip, number of passengers, and apply any discounts or surcharges necessary. You may also uncheck the box if they do not wish to purchase 24/7 roadside assistance. Then, click Send Reservation. Your guest will instantly receive an email from RVnGO that includes the details of the reservation. In the email, they will have the option to view the reservation on RVnGO.com and continue the transaction process. And that's it! You've successfully initiated a transaction as a host on RVnGO.com. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding RV rentals and reservations, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@RVnGO.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.